We're at the Sheldon Art Galleries, and this year is our 5th year for the Golf the Galleries exhibit. It's a 9-hole golf course designed by local artists and architects in St. Louis. This exhibit stands out from our normal range of exhibits because this is an interactive exhibit where you can play the golf course. There are 9 golf holes in this exhibit, and a few highlights are Sarah Frost, a local artist that has created a hole in the pole, and it's a very immersive room. It's basically one giant map that's been folded out into the entire space. Another golf hole that's very interesting this year is the Lit Shop. They're new to us. It's a nonprofit organization that focuses on literacy and hand building making for girls and gender expansive youth from the ages of 10 to 15. So we're very happy to have a Lit Shop with us this year. One of the golf holes is designed by Dave Kish from the City Museum. He went through their warehouses. Everything's been recycled, and he's created another element of the City Museum here at the Sheldon. Another new addition to this year's lineup is Rob Rumble and Crudy Thacker. They have created the Brick Grove, and it's a little corner street scene of St. Louis. And once again, we have the World Chess Hall of Fame with us this year, and they're featuring Bobby Fischer. This is the 5th year for the Golf the Galleries exhibit, and people keep coming back because each year it's always different. None of the golf holes are the same. We may have the same designers sometimes. This year we have 4 repeat designers. But it's always new, always different, and each time the artist comes back, their designs are improved. They expand their ideas, and each year it grows. So I think it's interesting for visitors to come in to see the difference from previous years and just to see how challenging the golf holes may be. We're able to bring this exhibit every year because of sponsors like UMB Bank and the community that comes back to participate year after year. The exhibit runs through August the 28th, and you can find more information on our website at www.thesheldon.org.